Here we have half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon nutmeg, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon golden flax, 1 tablespoon regular flax. We're going to add half a cup of chopped mixed nuts. I have walnuts, almonds, and cashews. And we're going to add 2 cups of oatmeal. Alright, now we're going to add half a scoop of protein powder, and we're going to give this a little mix. Now we're going to add our liquid ingredients. We have half a cup each of coconut oil and honey in this. Here goes the oil and here goes the honey, and we're going to mix. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the instant pot on slow cook for about 3 hours with the lid half off. Okay, we have the lid with some space, about 3 inches, and we have it down on slow cook for 2.5 minutes. We're going to press start, and I'm going to come back every half hour and give it a good stir. See you in 2.5 hours with my fresh homemade granola. Okay, you guys, so here's the final product. I folded in some raisins and I've put it here. You can put it on a tray, anything large that it will be flat to cool down, and once it's cool you have your final product. So here is my final granola. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out for you and let me know how you enjoy it. If you enjoyed my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends so that they can enjoy my content too. And I'll catch you in the next video.